Hi everyone, hope you're well. In today's episode of Meet the Products, I wanted to introduce you to the Atomac Ball Valve. And this product here is made by one of our manufacturing partners, Flowserve. Many of you will know that we've been a Flowserve agent for about the last 15 years, and predominantly you'll know us for the Worcester range of ball valves. The thing about the Worcester range of ball valves is they're predominantly supplied as carbon steel or stainless steel valves. And we do have a lot of customers and a lot of sites that we go to where the products that they're producing, the chemicals, the gases, or whatever the media is that's going through the valve, can actually be corrosive, and it will attack stainless steel and it will attack carbon steel. One way to get around that is to make the valves out of exotic materials. So we may make them out of Hastelloy or Monel or Inconel, or one of those exotic materials. The downside to that is that those materials are very, very expensive. So the valve becomes very expensive. The other thing is that the valves are usually made to order. So they're usually on very long lead times, typically 18 to 22 weeks delivery for the particular product that you're looking for. So this valve for us is a great solution to that. And how we get around that is we actually move to the Atomac Ball Valve. And the Atomac Ball Valve is actually lined. So all the wetted parts within the valve are lined. So the media doesn't actually come into contact with any of the metal. And Flowserve, who we partner with, are one of the world's leading manufacturers of products with fluoropolymer materials inside them. So the valve can be lined with FEP or PFA, just depends on the temperature and what the process conditions are. And that goes all the way through the valve out to the flanges so you can mate up with your lined pipe. We've got a two-way valve here, as you can see. We can also do these as a three-way valve, so we can do an L-port or a T-port valve. We can do sight glasses and other products that are lined sampling valves and things like that as well. So there's a full range of lined products to help you out and be a solution for a problem where you've got corrosive products going through your valves. This is obviously a manual valve. I just took the lever off this one just to make it a little bit easier to move around. And obviously, as you've seen in our previous videos, we've got the Valve Automation Center here at Valve and Process Solutions. So if you want a full Flowserve package, we can put the actuator on for you. We generally use the Norbro for full Flowserve package. We can fit it with any of the ancillaries that you want. So if you want solenoids, switch boxes, positioners, etc., we can do that. We now stock in the F89 Keystone actuator. So if Keystone is your site standard and your preferred actuator, we can fit it with that. And we've also got the Atomac actuator that we've been selling successfully for many years as well. So in the actuation department, we can fit those for you. We can assemble it. We can test it. So when it turns up to site, you know that it's right. I really like this product. It's much more cost effective than going down the route of a exotic material valve. They're much more readily available. We keep stock here at Valve and Process Solutions, and we can get them pretty quickly from the manufacturer as well. So if you do need a lined valve, then this is really the product that we put forward for you. If you do have any tricky applications and you've not really thought about using a lined valve before, a ball valve, you may be using a butterfly valve or an exotic material valve, then please give us a call and you can talk to one of our experts and we can give you some guidance on what the best product will be to use for your application. So that is the Flowserve Atomac lined ball valve. Thank you very much for watching. If you are watching on social media, as always, please like and share. This video, as always, will be on our YouTube channel, so you can go back and watch again and see some of the other videos that we've done in the series. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.